Y'all, what's going on YouTube, man? Welcome back to another video, man. You can tell from the time I'm be filming. Hey, motherfucking POV. If you're new to the channel, man, make sure like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah. At this point, I don't even know how many subs I'm at, but hopefully at this point I'm really close to hitting 1K. I'm hoping, I'm praying, I'm believing, putting the faith into God, because right now I'm pre-recording videos. It's currently March 3rd. A Dodge Charger EV review should be posted as of right now, and a bunch of other more content. Y'all need to tune into that. But I am pre-recording my POVs right now, so I ain't got to worry about it later on in the month, because I don't really know how the weather's gonna be. Like this week, kind of spooky. This week it shows it's gonna rain 2 times and snow 2 times, so like I'm not gonna be out those 4 days, and it's supposed to start today. So I don't know if I can tell, but it's dark as hell outside. So I'm trying to get a hold of my content, make some content for y'all and things of that nature. And my hopefully my POV mount comes in today. I'm hoping and praying that shit comes in today, because I'm getting tired of holding the phone, y'all. And I'll be actually able to cut up in traffic and actually drive the way I want to drive. Like when I be making POVs, you gotta be like kind of hesitant the way you drive when you holding the phone in your hand, because you never know what the fuck can go wrong when you might need both your hands type shit. So, you know, I'm a D1 driver, so I'm not really like that concerned about it for real, but it's always a how do you explain it, like a hazard you gotta have, because it's 9 times out of 10, if you're a good driver, if you get into a car accident or something happens, 9 times out of 10 it's not even your fault that you got into the accident, because somebody else not paying attention and somebody else don't know how to drive. So to the younger audience out there that's around like 15, 16, getting their permit and shit, maybe your parents ain't concerned about the way you drive, or they're concerned about the way other people drive, man. So just stay patient, man, and your time will come. You'll be able to get behind the wheel, man. Because I'm not gonna lie, I am very grateful that my parents did put that kind of like strict restriction on me in a way with me driving, even though I was a D1 driver, always been a D1 driver. Because God knows, and my first vehicle was a V8, so I know a lot of y'all want to start off young, getting nice cars, getting fast cars and shit. So if you do get like a V8 or something, I do think a restriction is like very needed, because if you don't have a restriction at a young age with a nice car that's fast, looks nice, you're gonna want to be showing out, and you're not gonna be experienced enough. You're gonna fuck around and crash because it's not in your bill. Especially if some bitches get around, you got some bitches in the car, and some most of you gonna try, so you never even tried before, and you just don't know how it's gonna end up. So I would say for sure, just listen to your parents, man. That's the word of advice today. Listen to your people, man. Your people, 9 times out of 10, your people will do nothing to harm you or make or do anything to make you fail, bro. 9 times out of 10, but sometimes you just gotta go through the hard times and trust the process, and things will be okay. You feel what I'm saying? Things will go good. I do gotta pick up this Target order for my mama. That's why I'm basically out today. It's the only reason why I'm out today. So I figured while I'm out, I'll just film these next 3 POVs. And yeah, I wish I could wash my car so I could take pictures of my car, so I can make more TikTok edits for my car, so I can post reels on this channel. But it's gonna fucking rain and snow. I'm not wasting $10 on a car wash. That shit's overly fried. Fuck you talking about? What Jason go say? Overly. That shit overly. Then can this light hurry up and turn green? Yeah, I can't wait for the summertime though, man. I really do think the summertime gonna be lit this time. Well, it was lit last year too. I don't know why I said this time. But I think this year gonna be even more better because I'm gonna be wanting to go out a lot more. So hopefully I get this new job and shit. And I'm only working mornings, I'm not working nighttime no more. So we finna see. Let me put this down before these white people start looking at me like I'm crazy and shit. I think I'm recording them. But let me go pick up this order from my mama. Then I'm gonna continue the POV ski. Don't put that right back on your little bitch ass. What's up, YouTube? What's up, YouTube? We back. I gotta turn the music off, but and it's getting hot in this bitch. Oh shit, community police. Did I just run that fucking stop sign? I think I just ran that fucking stop sign. Bitch ain't see it though. The lovely young lady ain't see it though. Oh, look at this charger. Look at this charger. What that is? Debadged. So that means it's either a scat or some bullshit. No in between. I'm lying on my ass. So it's either a scat, a RT, or a V6. You know, they be whatchamacallit? They be debadging the V6 until you know it's a V6 and shit, so you can think it's something exotic and things of that nature. You know, I might take that route. I might have to take that route, no doubt. Now we finna go to this other little spot right here so I can get my little thumbnail and shit. If I can ever get across the intersection. I could have went this now. Come on. So she really, that's why she only want this bag for? It's only one bag? Damn. It's only got one bag of shit. Time's getting hard over here, y'all. So y'all need to hit that fucking subscribe button. Damn, what the fuck? Look at that V6 Charger. Look at that V6 Charger. Oh, that bitch might be V8. Bitch might be V8. Hold on. It surprised me, G. Usually when you see them Chargers that look like that, with the bumper and the grill, usually it's a V6. It's rare to see a 5.7 in that bitch. Cause that's like a weird year of Chargers, but that's the ugliest year of Chargers. I hate that fucking the grill and the fucking bumper on them bitches. That's like an option that you buy. Like you buy that car knowing you gonna bumper swap that bitch, literally. To the newer model bumper and shit. There's no way you buy that car and you see that bumper and that grill like that, you keep that shit on now. Now this shit trying to get over. I think I'm finna go further down than what I originally said and shit. God damn. Yeah, I'm gonna go further down for y'all, man. Even though we about to sit in traffic. Man, I can't wait for this summer to put this bitch in sport mode, man. Be behind all the fast cars and shit so I get the best back shots possible of them cutting up in traffic and shit, gang. I ain't gonna lie, that's like one of the good things about me getting the V6 too. Cause usually when I'm out with all the cars and shit, I'm the one that's in front cause I had the 5.7. And I'm over here leading the way, telling everybody where to go and things of that nature. With the V6, boy, them cars gonna be passing me the fuck up. So it's like, you feel me? I ain't got no choice but be in the back, and now I'm gonna get y'all the best angles possible. Bro, this truck keep trying to, like, can this truck decide what lane he wanna go in, bro? Fuck you keep going back and forth between left and right for? Definitely not hopping on the expressway right now. I'm gonna turn this bitch back on when we get off this light, cause this light gonna take a minute. Trent, baby, look at that cop right there. Look at that copper. I'm trying to turn to this parking lot. I've never been in this parking lot before. Almost got pulled over by like 12 cop cars. When I was working in the mornings and shit, I used to get pulled over. The cop used to be sitting in these parking lots. Obviously, there's an open spot there, but I don't want to go there. Damn, what the fuck? There's really no open spots. What the fuck? That would be good for me to take a thumbnail at. That's cool. I know where I'm gonna go. He knew we're infinite guild. If I get across this motherfucker. Damn. I need to hurry the fuck up. Hey, this may be a copper. This may be a copper. God damn. Oh shit. Reverse parking right here real quick. Even though I can't see. Oh shit, we could. I think I'm crooked. What y'all think? Y'all think I'm crooked? I think I'm crooked as fuck. If I'm in the lines, that's all that matters, bro. If I'm in the lines, that's literally all that matters, bro. Let's see. I think I'm crooked, though. What y'all think? I'm crooked. Barely got into that bitch. I'm crooked just a little bit, bro. Crooked just a little bit, man. It's the 300 though. You feel what I'm saying? Got so many mods and shit coming to this bitch, man. Y'all gotta stay tuned for that motherfucker, man. Damn, I'm gonna get hit by a tree and shit. Do the walk around. Yeah, man. Hope y'all in tune. More videos with this bitch to come. More mods in this bitch to come, man. We got so much content coming with this damn car. It's not even funny. Especially that it's starting to get nice outside and shit. You're gonna be having hella content to film, hella shit to film. And y'all gotta remember that Bunny is getting his getting a new car because his shit got totaled. Hopefully by this point, by the time this video drop, he got the car ready, man. So yeah. If you're new to the channel, man, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We got multiple POVs dropping this month. If you like this one, make sure you go tune into the other ones. We got a bunch posted on the channel anyways. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe for that. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.